everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I do have another unboxing for you today. I just got this. I'm so excited. I didn't know it was coming. I ordered a specialty bag. They are originals, one of a kind. Although they make similar ones, but each one is one of a kind. And I had never heard of this artist before. Eva from Fuchsia Floyd got a bag. It was a bag, and it says on it, not a Birkin, and it's by...
Is she on the list? I think she's going to have to be added, though.
Yeah, it's by I want to say Anca Barbu, and I thought...
Not Hanna-Barbera?
No, I thought that bag was really cool. Well, then she got Winnie a bag as well. And then after Winnie got it, I'm like, okay, I need to get one of these bags. These are really cool. And I looked at them on, you can find some used, like on, Poshmark and eBay. But I'm like, to me, this would be a bag that might be somewhat easy to fake. So I wasn't about to, I needed to buy it from the seller. So that's what I did. I went to her website and found some. I'm just looking at here to see if it says anything on here about where it's from or anything. It doesn't. So I went on the website to get this. So I thought, a lot of times I'll already have my items open, but I want you to see how it comes prepared. So it comes just in a box like this. It's almost bigger than I thought. But okay. And yeah, they had said that they were going to tell me when it was coming. They said, I got an email saying they got my order and they would let me know when it was shipped. But I didn't get anything from them letting me know it was shipped. But all of a sudden yesterday in my emails, I got something from UPS saying that I had a shipment arriving from her. And so I knew it was coming that way. All right. And of course I can't find my little cutters when I want to here. So I'm going to just use my handy dandy scissors. And let's see here. Sure I am. I can see about as good as I can see when I'm trying to read what the things say. There we go. Okay. So yeah, just a plain old box. Nothing special here. But if you've seen her bags, they are very unique. She usually paints on bags that are like duplicates of other bags. They're not fakes or anything. But okay, wow, all right. So this is how it arrives. And just this pretty pink dust bag.
Is it pretty in pink?
And then here, Anca Barbu is on there. This is really heavy. Oh, I like this. First off, it's green. And
my eyes.
It comes with this little chain, but this is really special. Oh my gosh, she put my initials on it. Oh my gosh. Here's the front. Is this ever awesome or what? Oh my gosh, she put my initials on the little key clay thing.
You sure that doesn't stand for just drink?
Yes, I'm sure it doesn't. And so it comes with its own little lock. And the key is in here. It's an actual key. She put my initials on the little key thing.
Are my initials anywhere?
No. And this is glittery. I don't know if it'll show. But one of my favorite drinks is lime vodka sour. And so that's what I pretended that was. Even though there's lemonade things there too. So it's probably like a summer hummer. So not only do you get this bag, and this is a leather bag, you also get a pouch. It's a nice pebbled leather pouch. And it's got the Anca Barbu on it here. And it just opens up to the interior's leather as well. Oh, it smells so good, especially for something painted. So this you can clip on here. And it also comes with a lot more. It comes with a leather strap. That is, let's see, adjustable. And it comes with a metal strap. So this actually comes, I'm not going to open that right now, but it actually comes with 4 straps. The inside pouch. And I'm going to look inside the bag. Inside the bag here is also all leather. And it's got a little spot inside where you could attach a key ring. And then, or your pouch, I guess. Then one inside slip pocket. The interior is all leather. The bottom has feet. So just look at this. It is just, there's the front, the side, the back, the side, and the glittery front again. Oh, this is just nice. So just to kind of compare it, here's a Chloe. I mean, try not to knock down everything. Here's a Chloe Woody tote, and these are just a hair smaller than the Celine Nano totes. So I would say that it's kind of like the baby sister of that. Look at the differences there. So there's that. And then I'm going to look at my little card here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I just absolutely love that. That is, you can't get a more perfect summer bag than that. And let's see, I got a card here. It's got my name on it. It says thank you. And then it's got my name. Thank you for your purchase. And Anca Barbu original handbag. This letter guarantees the awesome authenticity for your one-of-a-kind hand-painted artwork made by Anca Barbu, made on 4/17/2024. So it gets made special for you. And if you go to her website, you'll be able to find like a copy. You'll be able to see this bag. She has a ton of other bags too, but this was the one that just spoke to me the most. I'm sure I can get everything I need to in there for a week, and I'm just flabbergasted. This is flabbergasted. This is so cute, and it's one of a kind. It's just, I really like this. I can't remember the cost.
Did you buy so many things?
No, but well, I showed it to you. Don't you remember? Was it like $400? I think. But I mean, for a full leather bag, really nice zip, 4 chains to go with it, including a leather one, 2 plastics, and a metal one. This little, and this is substantial. This isn't some like cheap little piece. This is a nice little heart here. It's got a lock on it. You get the key to unlock it here. She personalized it, and she made it for me. I mean, and you got your certificate of guarantee. And that's why, as you can see... Authenticity, yeah, sorry. As you can see, this is why I wanted to make sure I got one from her. I'm sure that you can get beautiful fakes like this, but not... Okay, so this one would probably be harder to fake because it's got the picture on it. But if someone figured out where her bags came from, they could just splatter paint on here. And I get it then, well, why didn't I just do that? But no, I like art, and I like art that is colorful and has a lot of texture to it. So this is just right up my alley.
She likes to touch.
This, I do. And this with the glitter and green and my favorite drink. And I think it's spectacular. I really, really do. So, I had a different unboxing to do for you today, but that one has to wait now because, I couldn't wait to see this. So, packaged, interestingly, not bad. Comes with a nice, I would say this is a nice cotton dust bag. I like her name being on it like that. I love the certificate of authenticity you get with it. Very heavy bag. This is definitely a nice leather bag.
So you're saying it's substantial.
It is. A nice zipper. And then, I mean, just all this stuff. I mean, it's just, what is it? Accoutrement. I think that's how you say it. I've never said that before.
Don't
yeah.
ever say it again.
Stop it. But yeah, I really love it. Oh, it even has her name on the heart. This is just so neat. So this is my unboxing for you today. If you have any questions about it, leave it down in the comments down below if you want like dimensions or anything like that. And otherwise, just leave a comment anyways. I really love when you leave comments and helps me to interact with you, and I really appreciate doing that. Helps me get to know everybody a little bit better. Hope you don't mind seeing, I would consider this very luxurious. It wasn't a luxury price compared to what some can be, but I mean, this is one of a kind artwork. To me, this is total art. I'm in love. This is awesome. I would highly recommend her. This is beautiful. So, just wanted to show you because she's not that well known as far as, I mean, I didn't know about her till Eva. Thank you, Eva. And,
you're on the list.
And I just think this is really pretty. So I just wanted to show you. I generally put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it.
Don't consider it. Just do it.
That would be very nice. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well. And that's James Jam 2. It's Jam, not 2, but J. It's
as well.
JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Are you wearing a shirt? Oh, it's camel.